Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style, click on Wallpapers and now just pick the one that you like the most. So just scroll through all of them. You can also open your photo album and add your picture, your own photo to as wallpaper. But let me pick one from default pictures. Maybe this one. Now select apply to and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, carousel wallpaper, home screen or both home and lock screens. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see from now on, this photo is assigned to both home and lock screen on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.